Let's make a conscious choice to stop trying to solve the stress of this day. Let's gently transition into this sacred time, releasing the grip of the day, tasks completed, and those that await. Wherever you are right now, just let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a slow, beautiful breath in, fill your lungs completely, and let it out with a soft, heavy sigh. Welcome to 3 Leaves. I'm Diana. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Take a few gentle wiggles and adjustments until you find a posture of ease and balance, supported by the earth beneath you. With intention and loving kindness, let's deepen the breath in through your nose, feeling the air travel through your entire being, nourishing you from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. And as you exhale with a soft sigh from your mouth, gently release any tension you may be holding, perhaps in your shoulders, or your jaw, or your belly, allowing it to dissolve with your exhale, letting it go into the space around you. Simply listen with an open heart, allowing this gentle process toward calm to unfold naturally, moment by moment. Allow your breath to become your anchor, your steady guide to stillness. As you rest here, let's allow your active mind to step into the background and simply notice the landscape within your soul. Think of any stress you're holding not as permanent, but simply as a passing afternoon storm. Right now, the calm you have been seeking is already arriving, inviting its gentle presence into your heart and mind, smoothing out any sharp edges left behind by a busy day. The lingering echoes of the conversations and endless tasks are naturally starting to drift away now like soft clouds carried off by an evening breeze. There's a deep peace settling into your bones. It feels like the quiet, refreshing stillness that blankets the earth right after a gentle rain. In this space, any words you left unspoken today, any tiny frustrations you've been holding on to, finally begin to dissolve. Let them simply float away into the background, unburdening you. It's perfectly okay to be in this precious, uncomplicated now. Notice the subtle, beautiful sensation of simply being alive right here in this room. Any frustrations or disappointments from expectations that weren't met today, they don't belong to this moment anymore. Like footprints in the sand, they're gently fading into the stillness. A tranquil, healing quiet washes over your entire being, like the gentle, soothing fading of twilight. You are completely resting in the flow of this present moment, meeting it with grace and with absolute acceptance. Now rest in stillness. Allow yourself to simply be. still breathing, still resting. Know that deep within your being, you are loved unconditionally. You belong here exactly as you are in the vast and interconnected world. You matter inherently and completely. You are enough in this very moment just as you are, without needing to change or do anything. Take one final deep, gentle breath in, filling yourself with this knowing, this sense of belonging and worthiness. And exhale with a soft sigh of release and acceptance. Begin to bring a gentle awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Listen to the gentle sounds around you in this space. There's no need to rush. As you prepare to transition back to your day, carry this sense of calm and inner peace with you. And remember that this space always lives inside you. Take care of your mind. Take care of your body. Thank you for sharing this time with me today. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Until next time, be well.